Hey, John Arnold here, and I wanted to take a moment and just talk to you about prayer. Do you ever feel like your prayers are just bouncing off the ceiling? Like you want to connect with God, but that doesn't really happen. It's something you feel obligated to do and you do it, but it doesn't feel like a connection. Well, that's not an uncommon problem. And you might be thinking, well, if I prayed more, maybe that would be different. But what if the problem isn't that you're not praying enough, but that you really haven't been taught the right way to pray, that you really haven't been taught in a way to where that connection can be vibrant and alive and a conversation that goes back and forth between you and God. I think a lot of us are taught that prayer is talking to God. We kind of tell God things we need and we're thankful from time to time, but we aren't necessarily slowing down and listening and reflecting and experiencing and enjoying the presence of God. Now, if that's you, there's a couple things I want to ask you to do. First off, if you would, comment in below and let me know what your struggles are with prayer. Maybe it's something different than that because I'm preparing to teach a prayer class. It'd be really helpful for me to hear right from you if that's the issue or if it's something else. But also, I want to help you with that. I don't want to just leave you hanging. And there's two opportunities. One, a little quick hit, and another, a much deeper experience. The first one is noon on Thursday. I'm going to go live here on Facebook, and I'm going to teach a quick technique called a 5-5-5 method of prayer. 5-5-5 method of prayer. It's something you can do in 15 minutes, and it will begin to nurture your prayer life in a way where it's more about connecting rather than just speaking to God. So if that sounds good to you, it would be awesome to see you there noon on Thursday on Facebook. Now, the other opportunity is Lent's coming. It'll be about a week from the time you see this roughly. I'm going to be leading a class that I have done before. Recently finished this in the fall for like my third time of doing it myself and teaching it. And it is one of the most formative studies I have ever done around prayer. It would be a great Lenten discipline to be a part of this class. We'll kick the class off Thursday after Lent begins. So Ash Wednesday, which is March 5th, we'll have a special worship service for Ash Wednesday here. And then on March 6th, we're going to teach the Workbook of Living Prayer online. So if what I was describing earlier really sounds like you already know that's the situation you're in, I want to encourage you to sign up for that class. Go over to fpcrogers.com/living prayer. It's that simple. fpcrogers.com/living prayer. In fact, I'll put that link in the comments below or in the description for this video, depending on where you're watching it. There's no cost for the class. Now the books, depending on where you order them, can run about $20. You will need a book. I will tell you where and how you can get that book. Once you sign up, you'll get an email, show you 3 different ways you can get the book. And I really hope that you'll jump in with us. This is a fantastic class. So I'm going to leave it at that. Maybe I'll see you on Thursday this week at noon. And maybe I'll see you the next Thursday in class. It would be great either way or both. So, all right, bye now. And please let me know your struggles with prayer in the comments below so I can be prepared to address them as we go through this study. Love you all and have a blessed day.